Hello guys, welcome back to a new video, and in this video I'm going to cover how to evaluate expressions. Now, to evaluate an expression, that just means to find the value of the expression, so what it equals once you work through it. We will go through four examples. My bad guys, I had a little stutter there. So we will go through two examples with where we're going to evaluate one variable and two examples where we're going to evaluate four variables. So these examples will help us learn how to evaluate expressions using substitution. They will set us up for success moving forward and give us a strong foundation to build off of once we start evaluating more complex expressions. So let's jump into number one where we have x plus 14. So for the first two examples, we're going to evaluate x equals 6. So our variables have a value of 6 basically. So only thing we have to do in this case is we have to basically rewrite our whole expression and just solve it. So if x is 6, we are going to get a expression of 6 plus 14. And 6 plus 14 equals 20, so this will be the answer for the first example. Now, on to the second example where we have 9x. So, when we have a variable right next to a number, this means we are gonna multiply. So, if x is 6, we have basically 9 times 6. Because the variable is right next to the 9. This means we have to multiply. So 9 times 6 equals 54, and this is going to be our final answer of the second problem. So now we have done the first two, we're going to go to the second two. So we're going to evaluate a equals 8 and b equals 4. So we have 5b minus a. So this means we have two variables and we have two values to put in at the variables. So we are going to get 5b, and this means 5 times b, so 5 times 4 because our b has a value of 4, and we're going to take away 8 because our a has a value of 8. So first we're going to do 5 times 4, and 5 times 4 equals 20, and then we're going to do 20 minus 8. Let me write it up right here. So 20 and then 20 minus 8, and this will equal 12 as our final answer. So let's go to our last example where we have a plus 30 divided by b. So we know that a has a value of 8 and b has a value of 4. So we're going to rewrite this problem. So we have 8 plus 30 divided by b, which is 4. So, of course, considering the PEMDAS rule, or the rule of operations, we first have to do 30 divided by 4. So, we're going to do 30 divided by 4 first. 30 divided by 4 equals 7.5. So now, all we have left is the 8. So we're going to do 8 plus 7.5, and this will give us a final answer of 15.5. So we have done 4 examples here, and I think we have built a pretty good foundation on the start of, or the intro of, evaluating expressions. So this method or this video should help you out with a bit more complex expressions. So this was basically the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a question in the comments if you have any, and as always, this was Mr. Mathz, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.